Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This is the second video in the playlist to solve the summer 2023 Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Math 2 paper. In this video, we're going to be solving question 2 in this past paper. So let's get started. Here's question 2, part A. It says in this question, you must show all stages of your working. Solutions relying on calculator technology are not acceptable. Then it says f of x equals to 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 5x plus a, where a is a constant. Given that 2x minus 3 is a factor of f of x, use the factor theorem to show that a equals to minus 3. To solve this, first set 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then solve for x. Add 3 to both sides. Then divide both sides by 2. This gives us x equals to 3 over 2. Now we substitute 3 over 2 in place of x in f of x. This gives us 4 into 3 over 2 cubed, minus 8 into 3 over 2 squared, plus 5 into 3 over 2, plus a equals to 0. Now we solve for a. Simplifying, we get 27 over 2 minus 18 plus 15 over 2 plus a equals to 0. Simplifying further gives us 3 plus a equals to 0. Now we subtract 3 from both sides. This gives us a equals to minus 3. This completes the answer for part A. Now to solve for part B of this question. It says that hence show that the equation f of x equals to 0 has only one real root. Okay, we know that a equals to minus 3 from part A. So f of x equals to 0 is the same as 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we know that one factor of f of x is 2x minus 3. So we can divide f of x by 2x minus 3. First, divide 4x cubed by 2x. This gives us 2x squared, which we write here at the top. Now multiply 2x squared by 2x minus 3. This gives us 4x cubed minus 6x squared, and we will write this down here. Now subtract 4x cubed minus 6x squared from 4x cubed minus 8x squared. This gives us minus 2x squared plus 5x, and we write that down here. Now we repeat the process and divide minus 2x squared by 2x. This gives us minus x, which we write at the top here. Now multiply 2x minus 3 by minus x. This gives us minus 2x squared plus 3x, and we write that down here. Now, we subtract minus 2x squared plus 3x from minus 2x squared plus 5x. This gives 2x minus 3, and we write it down here. Next, divide 2x by 2x. This gives us 1, which we write at the top here. Now we multiply 2x minus 3 by 1. This gives us 2x minus 3, and we write that down here. Then we subtract 2x minus 3 from 2x minus 3, which gives us 0, and we write that down here. Now we know that 2x squared minus x plus 1 is also a factor of f of x. This means that we can write f of x equals to 0 as 2x minus 3 into 2x squared minus x plus 1 equals to 0. The first root of this equation is by simply setting 2x minus 3 to 0 and solving for x. We did this in part A, and we got x equals to 3 over 2. We can get the other root by setting this quadratic expression we found equal to 0. To see if this quadratic equation has a root, we first have to find its discriminant. We can do this by substituting the respective values from the quadratic equation into b squared minus 4 into a into c, where b is minus 1, a is 2, and c is 1. This gives us minus 1 squared minus 4 into 2 into 1. Simplifying, we get minus 7, which is smaller than 0. So, as the discriminant minus 7 is smaller than 0, there are no real roots for this quadratic equation. This means that x equals to 3 over 2 is the only one real root of f of x equals to 0. And this completes the answer for part B. Thanks for watching. Please view the playlist to find more videos for solved and explained questions from this past paper. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll be back with another video soon.